City of Homestead How-To Video Series.
Hi there. In this video, I am going to show how to accomplish the transmittal of the daily MAM file to Amscot. What the MAM file contains is a list of cash-only customers. It informs Amscot as to which customers' payments are only acceptable via cash. I am about to show you 2 steps to accomplish this. 1. Download the MAM file to your PC. 2. Upload this file to Amscot via an FTP program. IT will need to install this FTP program for you if it is not present. If you're first starting with this process, make sure you have the Daily File Transfers folder on your desktop. Visit the Customer Service Department share, then Daily File Transfer Process folder. Make a copy of the Daily Transfers folder and paste it onto your desktop. Open the MAM file subfolder and then open the Data Files folder. Within it, launch the MAM Download Data Transfer. Click the Start Transfer button and wait for it to complete. Hit OK and close it out. Rename the ending of the file to show today's month and day. Next, launch the FTP program. Once open, make sure you have the Amscot MAM connection selected. Drag your MAM file into this box. And that's it! Amscot has now received the MAM file. Close out the FTP program and drag the file to the Data File History folder. Hopefully this video got you going. If you need further assistance, the Innovation and Technology Department is an email or phone call away.